Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. You guys, just doing a quick Amazon unboxing. You guys, I just recently got this small rug right here. It's 24 inches by about 20 inches. It's a bathroom rug that goes right in front of your toilet. It's U-shaped. It's memory foam. It's extra soft. It's supposed to be extra soft, extra absorbent. And like I said, it's supposed to be memory foam. It's black, and you guys, it's like I said, it's U-shaped, and it goes right in front of your toilet. I'll leave the information down in the description down below if you want to grab you one. Let's go take a look at what it looks like in the actual bathroom where I'll be setting it up at. Let's go. And there it is right there in place in the bathroom. That nice memory foam rug. It is washable. Because of the way it was packed, you know, rolled up, it may take a moment just for some of those wrinkles and kinks to get out of it. But otherwise, it fits right in place right there. Get you one. Check that description down below. It's reasonably priced. Peace out.